What is SOMA for me? It's my part of the family. I would say it's my sister. It was the latest child of my father and my mom. And now, as I'm working here also for more than 15 years, I would say it's also my daughter, because I take care that we are doing everything that this company, this child of me, is growing. And in the end, it's also the mission from my family, how we can contribute that the company from the Eastern Europe is getting on a benchmark worldwide in very demanding technology as Flexo is.
Yeah, everybody in the industry is asking the question, what is going to happen with the Green Deal? With the new legislature, with new standards from EU, or in general worldwide, how do we save the nature? Is the plastic the future? Is paper the future? Is the recycled material the future? Is compostable material the future? Well, this open house was exactly about these questions, and it was also about the IP use, the intelligent printing units, Optima's intelligent printing units, upstream, downstream, different printing technologies, which allow us to produce such a sustainable packaging now or in the future. So theory in presentation is one thing, but it is always much more valuable to see things live. So during our open house, we provided 3 demos of 3 different equipment: Flexo IPU, Gravure IPU, and the printing press behind me, Optima, with intelligent features. Very interesting for everybody who was present.
W imieniu firmy EMIPAK chciałbym bardzo serdecznie podziękować wszystkim uczestnikom Dni Otwartych w firmie SOMA za to, że poświęcili swój czas, przyjechali tutaj, aby obejrzeć maszyny firmy SOMA i zakład SOMA. Dzięki jeszcze raz i do następnego razu.